Good morning, guys. This is Anastasia, and hey, I have a companion with me, my daughter Nicole. So we are starting this day with getting ready, and now we are going to the greenhouse. I want to buy my mom's flowers because it's the day of Mother's Day, and this is not the turn. I always miss it. Anyways, we're gonna grab some flowers. She likes hydrangeas. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna show you guys. Can you see how packed this is? This is crazy. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go find parking. That was one crazy experience at the nursery, honestly. So many people, it's so busy. Oh boy. Okay, now we're heading over to a coffee shop. I want to get my mom her favorite coffee and some cake pops and a breakfast for me because I didn't have a chance to eat. My mom loves chai tea latte. She loves that it has a hint of spice in there. She doesn't like spicy, but she likes spicy coffee. Well, we're heading there. Maybe I'll stop by at the store and I'll get a tart. We'll see how much time we're gonna have because I need to be at the store to blow up the balloons at 1 p.m. Right now it's 11:33. But it's like we live in the middle of nowhere, but it's not the case. It's just I decided to go around all the traffic lights. One thing I am happy about that it's not a huge, ridiculously long line like it usually is at Starbucks, so we're good to go. Okay, guys. Who likes avocado spread at Starbucks? I'm just curious. Me. No, you've never tried it. I tried it once because I love avocado, and I felt so bad throwing it out. Mama. I didn't like it. First of all, it was way over spicy, and it was just not good. Let me know who likes it. Comment down below. Maybe I'm missing something. I need to try it again. Thank you. Just one here. Thank you so much. Nicole, what are you eating? What are you eating? Show me. Cake pop. Is it good? Do you like it? We're getting cake pops every single time we go for coffee, which is not too often because we got a new coffee machine. Stop. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. And I can't remember last time we bought coffee. This one? That's a pretty one. Смотри, it's a ladybug. Да. Thank you. We got our tart, and it is fresh as it can be, and I am happy. I love the tarts at Giant the best. They have the best ones and the freshest ones. So if you're ever looking for a tart, Giant is the go-to. And it's $10 as well. Oh no, drama going on. Where's your necklace? It's right here. I got it. I got your necklace, girl. It's right here.
Mama, why is a bee over here?
Yes, it's over there. What a cute car. Coca-Cola. Take your shoes off.
Потому что они отдохнули.
Okay, so put your shoes on. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready to go?
Yes.
Nicole with my mom, so I know I'm going to Walmart right now. Mama to be is already there. She's already there. So we're gonna go blow these balloons up. So we have just arrived to Walmart to blow our balloons up. I believe any size balloon will cost you 50 cents. We'll see if I'm right in a little bit. And oh man, let's try to find parking now. So we got our balloons. Now we're gonna try to fit them in the car. They are so heavy, or they're pulling so hard. We'll see. I hope Ina's not gonna fly away with them outside. Okay, we'll go and check how much they're gonna cost us. They are 50 cents per balloon. Yay, I was right. Bye, Tanya. Where did I park? I forgot where I parked, but anyways, we're gonna go to the venue right now. I found my car and we're gonna start decorating. Driving back roads right now, and it's very pretty. I live in Pennsylvania and we have a lot of farms and a lot of Amish and Amish people, and yes, we have a lot of horses and carriages and bikers, and surprisingly I haven't seen one yet. If I'll see a carriage driving around, I'll show it to you guys, but really surprising, I haven't seen one yet. We have almost arrived to the spot where we're gonna have a baby shower. Okay, when I open this door, I hope nothing's gonna fly out of it. Because once I went to the birthday, and I bought balloons. And guess what? Those balloons flew away. How? Don't ask. Drop off all of the stuff, not all of it. I'm gonna go home right now to get the rest of the stuff. What I love where the location where we live at in Pennsylvania is that we have a lot of produce stands and a lot of farm markets. If you're gonna enjoy this vlog, comment down below, give it a thumbs up. I know it's my first vlog and maybe I'm not showing you as many things as I should. I'm trying, I'm getting used to it still. I'm gonna show you as much as I can today. I have a wedding on June 10th that I'm gonna be driving to Philadelphia to decorate. So that's gonna be fun. If you want to see that, let me know. I'm gonna have 2 weddings in August, 3 weddings in August that I need to decorate and help out. One of the weddings is gonna be very, very intense because they're renting a place. We had our wedding at that place, the same place. That place is literally nothing, like not nothing left, but you need to do so much to make that place look good. So we're gonna build the stage, we're gonna drape the drapings, we're gonna do a whole bunch of stuff over there. And if you want to see that wedding as well as a vlog on my channel, let me know. Remember, I promised you if I see a horse with a buggy, I'll show it to you, and here it is. First horse and buggy of the day. Here they are. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, I need to load these boxes and this backdrop. I am all loaded. As you can see, I've wrapped my present and a whole bunch of stuff in the back, boxes, everything's ready, and I'm ready to go to the spot. Right now it's 2:54 p.m. and we have 2 hours to get that place ready. We'll try our best. It's kind of dark, but there's no other way to film this. I opened the window to try to catch any light that is left in today's day. But anyways, we're done with the baby shower. Everything went well. I'm gonna try to edit everything, and I didn't set up a camera just because it was so hectic, and like usual, something goes wrong. When I was going to the venue from home, I picked everything up, like the backdrop and boxes and everything. And then one thing, I'm like, I cannot forget the weights for the balloons, you know, those rocks. Guess what? I forgot. So I had to go to Walmart, to the store, about like 15-minute drive, and buy them. Going to the store and coming back into the place took me about 40 minutes. I lost 40 minutes, and when I was going back to the baby shower place, at one point I almost cried because I was so frustrated, you know, and it's like, come on. So I lost 40 minutes and I came to the place, and we had an hour and a half to decorate the whole place, to cover all the tables and do everything, basically, the backdrop. One thing that really saved me time is I took the vertical legs from my backdrop and left the fabric on a horizontal pipe, so that way I didn't have to repin the fabric over again. So that saved me a lot of time. So I just brought the pipes in, set them up, and fabric was there and ready to go. 2 girls, sister of a mama-to-be and a good friend, she was there to help. So we did the decorations really fast, and yeah, everything went well. I should have set up the camera again and again. I'm gonna say this a whole bunch of times, but unfortunately I couldn't. I could care less to set up a camera somewhere in the corner. I just wanted that decorations to happen. I was so frustrated, as I said, with myself. So the food was delicious, dessert, everything. I mean, we had a great time. Also got some goodies over here and some cake over here and some other stuff as well. Car is fully loaded, so I'm gonna go home, probably unload the car, we'll see, and tomorrow is a new day. Alright you guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts. If you have any other ideas, and if you want to see these kind of vlogs more often, then let me know. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoy. I promise I will get better. Don't judge me too hard on this. And I'll see you all back in my next video. Bye bye.